Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn on text-to-speech read aloud on the Samsung Galaxy A26.
25. Done. Wednesday. Today, Wednesday, 25.
Now to enable this feature, just open the Play Store and in the search bar, just search this and install this app. And once the app is downloaded, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Then go to Accessibility and tap on Installed Apps. Now just select to speak. Then enable select to speak shortcut. Now just select allow. And once you do that, the accessibility icon will appear on your navigation bar. Now to enable select to speak, just tap on the accessibility icon and select anything on the screen to enable select to speak.
Tap specific items on your screen to hear the reader described aloud. How to use select to speak. Start select to speak, then you can tap a specific item, like.
And this is how you can turn on text-to-speech read aloud on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.